Racing just is started. We have Tabel break quickly at a start. Moving up on the outside is Home Run Queen. Next on line is Sangang Daan. Sweet Lorky. Salvatore Heron comes next. Reward for effort. While Handsome Bonban is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Home Run Queen. Sangang Daan in second. 3 lengths back in third comes Sweet Lorky. Tabel is down on the inside fourth. Salvatore, reward for effort. Heran second last, while Handsome Bodman is still racing in less. Back to the leader, we have Home Run Queen by a length and a half. Sangang Daan remains in second. Sweet Lorky down in third. Then comes Tabel, reward for effort. Heran snaking down on the inside. Salvatore, while Handsome Bodman still racing in less. And at the fourth turn, we have Home Run Queen by a length and a half. Sangang Daan in second. Sweet Lorky remains in third. Tabel, Heron, reward for effort. Handsome Bodman, while Salvatore now racing in less. And as they swing for home, we have Home Run Queen this time by about 4 lengths. Sangang Daan still in second. Last 75 meters from start to finish, it's going to be Home Run Queen. The second is Sangang Daan. Third, Tabel. Then comes number 9, Sweet Lorky. Heran, reward for effort. Handsome Bodman and Salvatore.
56298.
Correct.